Welcome to the biggest calendar mystery. Why does February sometimes have 28 days, and other times it gets an extra bonus day? We call that a leap year. Let's solve the full-year maths mystery. The real year length. The first surprise, a year isn't actually 365 days long. The time it takes for Earth to go around the Sun is exactly 365 days and almost 6 hours extra. If we just ignored those extra 6 hours every year, what would happen? Over 4 years, those hours add up. 6 hours times 4 years equals 24 hours. That's a whole extra day. Our calendar would start to drift away from the real seasons. The fix, adding a leap day. To fix this drift, we add those extra 24 hours back into the calendar every 4 years. We call it a leap day, and we put it on February 29th. So, February gets its bonus day. The year we add the day is called a leap year. The simple rule, divide by 4. How do you know if a year is a leap year? It's simple, if the year can be divided exactly by 4, it's a leap year. Example, 2024 divided by 4 is 506. No remainder. It's a leap year. 2022 divided by 4 has a remainder. It's not a leap year. The exception, high-grade bonus. Here's the tricky, high-grade part. If the year is a century year, like 1900 or 2000, it must also be divisible by 400. Example, 1900 is not a leap year, it's not divisible by 400, but 2000 was a leap year. This is a great tie-in to the student's desire for high-grade content. So, the leap year keeps our calendar and the Earth in sync. You solved the maths mystery. Now you know why February is sometimes 28 days and sometimes 29. Let me know in the comments what the next leap year after 2024 will be. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.